that much of brain capacity, तो मैं इसमें से कैसे कमाऊंगा?
I think that makes us very different.
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज तक का सबसे स्ट्रिक्ट पॉडकास्ट जो मैंने किया,
Best salesmen in this world are mothers.
एंड दे हैव लॉस्ट द ट्रैक. कहाँ से, मतलब क्या कुछ भी काम दो वाली बात होती है. तो मे बी कि बहुत सारे डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट ऐसे कहते हैं कि टॉक गुड अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, वो चाहे अच्छा हो या नहीं अच्छा हो. यू आर ट्राइंग टू गो बाय द माइंड सेट ऑफ पीपल कि मैं विदेशी चीज़ क्यों लगाऊं, बाहर से चीज़ खरीदा हुआ.
And you will see the results not after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day.
Immediate.
It's immediate.
Maybe your next chapter can start from here. Welcome to the Debina Banerjee Show. So many women, especially mothers, after marriage or after kids, feel like life has paused. They say, मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, पर शुरू करूँ तो कैसे? If there is something that can help rebuild confidence, identity, and income from home with just a phone and few hours, today's conversation might open a new door. Welcoming Mr. Chandra, GM, New Skin India, someone who believes every woman can become the CEO of her own life. Welcome to the podcast, Mr. Chandra. So, Mr. Chandra is good enough?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Or just think about it. If I need to tell my name as Jallipatti Govindaswamy Naidu Thirukannapiran Chandramurthy, I think half of the podcast is over.
Oh my God. I think half of your life you must have, explained to people your name and the meaning of it.
That's very true.
So, finally, New Skin is in India. So, why do you think women, especially homemakers and moms, are such a powerful part of New Skin India?
So rather than answering that directly, Debina, I would like to just go back to my own life and see who are all the people who have impacted me and who are the people who made a difference in my life. And if I turn back and see, one of the biggest influence in my life has been my mom. And
True.
when I'm looking at what opportunities she had at that time and what she did not have at that time, times have changed. It's a new world what we are living in. It's a completely new, I would say, plethora of opportunities that's opening up today. And New Skin is such an opportunity which really helps people who want to reinvent themselves. Globally also, if you look at it, in our business, close to 60% of women who have a very successful career built with our platform are women. We are already present in close to 50 countries across the world. And across all these countries, we have phenomenal women leaders. So in our event, you'd have heard our CEO speaking about the fact that it's not 7 years. It's close to 20 years of research what we have done in India before we wanted to come inside India. We have a specific title which people are reaching for them to take the next step in their entrepreneurial journey. And we currently have close to around 15 women leaders who are emerging.
My God, do you think like now India is ready?
Absolutely. The first part was what products is going to fit the market. The second is what is the compensation plan that will help our women to be empowered for them to take their own decisions and make this as a full-time or even a part-time business. So looking at all that, I think we are completely ready and the platform is right now kicking.
Oh, superb. When I met a lot of people at the launch, pre-launch, people were talking about income in dollars. So how would people in India be affected? Like, would they also earn in dollar or they would earn in rupees?
I wish we are earning in dollars and paying taxes in Indian rupees. It doesn't happen like that.
Okay.
So what we have done is, number one, our product pricing in India is very, very India-centric pricing. But that doesn't limit the person's potential to earn more income, like what people earn in dollars.
Oh, amazing.
Best salesmen in this world are mothers. बिकॉज जो बच्चा खाना नहीं खाता है, अगर खाने के लिए मम्मी लोग उनको समझा सकते हैं और खिला सकते हैं, आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट सेल्स ट्रिक विच आई हैव लर्नड इन माई लाइफ. बट कमिंग बैक टू द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ बिजनेस, दिस इज नॉट अबाउट सेलिंग. This is as simple as this as a business, Debina. Every person in this universe has a one thing common. That is, if they like something, they recommend it to others. For example, if I've just come 2 months back into Mumbai, When I came here, I went to a friend's home and I was asking him, I'm going out for dinner with a couple of my friends. Where do I go? He said, this is the place you're supposed to go. That doesn't mean that the place what he recommended belongs to his family or it is of his friend or it is of his relative. Neither is he going to make any benefit out of it. He recommends the place because he likes the place. Maybe he had the food there, he liked the experience there. That's what we all do.
New Skin is a 40-year-old global beauty tech brand. Why focus on India now? I think we kind of got the answer. मैंने वो पहले ही पूछ लिया था.
But definitely, I can add some more to that.
Hmm.
So, if you look at why now, right? I was just seeing a latest news article from one of the most reputed news houses in, I would say, the world.
Hmm.
And the latest estimates on how this industry is growing, which is between nutrition and skincare in India. अगर हम skincare की बात करें, the skincare market right now is $21 billion in 2025.
Hmm.
2028 में ये ग्रो होने वाला है to $34 billion. This $21 billion is a growth of the last 70 years.
अच्छा.
Youngsters are driving this growth. जैसे हम एग्जाम के लिए जब मेरा ज़माना होता था, जब हम एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं, उतना सीरियसनेस से आजकल लोग प्रोडक्ट्स का इंग्रेडिएंट्स चेक करते हैं. And they know what product they need to buy. They know what is good for them, what is not good for them. And this young generation is driving towards wellness. I wouldn't say just beauty, it's wellness, inside and out. And that is the biggest change that's happening in India. In the last 10 years, if you look at it, I think India has grown leaps and bounds when it comes to our own capabilities. हमारा टेक्नोलॉजी कैपेबिलिटी देख लीजिए, हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैपेबिलिटी देख लीजिए, our reach in terms of internet, if we compare that, our payment gateways, today we are world's number one when it comes to payment gateways. All this has led us to believe that this is the right time for us to enter.
With so many beauty and wellness brands in India today, what makes New Skin genuinely different?
We are not importing products from any other country or from wherever we are manufacturing outside of India to India. For example, there are very limited companies who are working on the space where we are right now working in the research side when we are looking at what is the best solution to be given for the Indian skin tone. I think that makes us very different from all the existing products that is available here.
बहुत सारे डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट ऐसे कहते हैं कि just because say an XYZ brand has a very expensive product, that does not mean that you'll have to immediately buy that and apply and it will suit your skin, because maybe it is not meant for the Indian skin type. So here you are trying to understand the Indian skin type and manufacture accordingly.
Very true. And not just manufacturing, we are using the latest technologies to identify the gaps in the current market as well as the products. The product gaps are also identified. I don't think we are just bringing in products, Debina. We are bringing in solutions.
And what does make in India and versus like made for India mean for your product strategy and science?
So from a strategic standpoint, made for India is what I explained on the science side of it. We are not just plugging and playing products from some other markets here. We are looking at what is needed for India. What is the difference in made for India and made in India? The difference is we want to align with the Indian values. It's about how we can empower Indians here, how we can give opportunities for Indian manufacturing companies. So strategically as an organization, we are also fully aligned with that vision of building in India for Indians. So that's the difference.
Lovely. I mean, ताकि आप हर तरीके से you are trying to go by the mindset of people कि मैं विदेशी चीज़ क्यों लगाऊं, बाहर से चीज़ खरीदा हुआ, अगर कोई ऐसा सोचे तो ये चीज़ इंडिया में भी बन रहा है, बट like one thing suits all तरीके से नहीं जाके something that is made for the Indian skin. I would know that मुझे पता है कि यहाँ का climate condition कैसा है, pollution level कैसा है, तो उस हिसाब से मेरे पास product पहुँच रहे हैं.
Very right. And not just the products, what we currently have. जो भी हमारा नया प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में लॉन्च होगा, वो प्रोडक्ट्स का ऑलरेडी रिसर्च चल रहा है, and based on the outcomes of that. And let me also tell you, but our intention is not to just bring in any product. It's about what products is needed for India and at what price we can give it in India without compromising on the science, the innovation, or the quality.
Okay, fine. But there's so many questions. like as if, you know, ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे इतना आसान, मतलब मैं ये भी सवाल पूछ लूँ, मैं ये भी सवाल पूछ लूँ, so that I don't miss out on anything.
I understand.
Okay, so these were from the product's point of view. So how would people earn? Like, by selling the product or through affiliations?
It's all about recommendations.
Okay.
Let's say you have a friend, you have a relative, and you use the products, you liked it, you are getting the benefits out of it. When they buy the products from the company directly gives the product to them.
Okay.
They just have to go to our website and order for the products. When they're ordering the products, they are going to refer you as the person who referred them for this product. So this purely works based on referrals. And let us assume that your friends also like the product. They thought, why not I recommend it to my family? But your friend came into this industry, this business, because of your referral. So you also get a margin out of that. So irrespective of how many people are there in the system who have been referred by you or people whom you referred, all that combines to become a part of your earning potential and your earning pool.
Okay. But there could be somebody who would just want to buy the product and not be a member.
Recommend it to somebody else. Yes,
No,
it is very much
not
possible.
recommending. Matlab, not be a member also. Just use it and be satisfied. ऐसे भी लोग हो सकते हैं ना?
Absolutely. So we do have our platform where people can come in and just buy it as a retail customer. And there is no subscriptions there. They come in, they buy it as a retail customer, they continue to be a retail customer. If they become a member, they get a discount on the product. That's the difference.
अच्छा, if they become a member, they get a discount also on the product.
That's right.
बाप रे, इतना कुछ है. ओफ. और पीपल बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हैं कभी कभी एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग, डायरेक्ट सेलिंग एंड एमएलएम में. मतलब सिंपल वर्ड्स में न्यू स्किन का मॉडल किस तरीके से डिफरेंट भी है या सेफ है, ये मुझे एक बार जानना है.
Okay. I think this is the most important question of this conversation, right? Because बहुत से लोगों को ये MLM के बारे में गलत फहमी है. Right? So first thing I want to clarify is New Skin is a direct selling company. मतलब
न्यू स्किन इज सेलिंग डायरेक्टली.
selling directly,
Okay.
right? And there is no need for any person to buy products from us, stock the product and sell it. उसका concept ही नहीं है इधर. What we are telling our business partners is, we call them our brand affiliates and brand representatives. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? आप आपका बिजनेस कीजिए, बिजनेस का ऑपरेशंस हम संभालेंगे. मतलब you don't have to buy products, you don't have to stock products, you don't have to sell products. You recommend your experience to somebody, and if they want to have the same experience, वो सबका ऑपरेशन हम संभाल लेंगे. सो उनका प्रोडक्ट्स हम बेचते हैं, उनके लिए प्रोडक्ट्स हम स्टोर करते हैं, इन्वेंट्री हम मैनेज करते हैं, लास्ट मेल डिलीवरी हम मैनेज करते हैं.
मतलब यू मीन टू से लाइक जैसे अमेजोन एफिलिएशंस है कि मैंने अमेजोन से कुछ खरीदा और मैंने अपना मेंबरशिप भी लिया है विद अमेजोन, यू हैव टू डू दैट. मतलब ऐसे ही मैं रिकमेंड कर सकती हूँ, तब मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. बट इफ़ आई एम ऑलरेडी एफिलिएट, एन अमेजोन एफिलिएट, देन जब मैं अमेजोन का वो प्रोडक्ट लोगों को रेफर करती हूँ, तो लोग जब मेरे लिंक से खरीदते हैं तब उनको मतलब मुझे पैसे मिलते हैं. मतलब जो वो लिंक देता है, यहाँ पे लिंक का भी ज़रूरत नहीं है.
This is about you recommending, for example, you are going to tell them that this is my ID or code. Use my code when you are going to order the product. That's it.
अच्छा, हाँ, सिर्फ एक
So
कोड.
it's as simple as that. So there is no need for any confusions here. मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे प्रोडक्ट्स किधर से खरीदना पड़ेगा, मुझे प्रोडक्ट्स किधर स्टोर करना पड़ेगा, मैं प्रोडक्ट किसी को कैसे बेचूं, मैं घर घर जाके बेचूं क्या, उनको कैसे, none of that is there. all your business operations is taken care by New Skin. You just focus on building your business.
ओके। और I don't know whether this question will come लेटर और नॉट, बट ऐसे जो अगर मुझे अगर इसका एक एफिलिएट बनना है, तो हाउ मच मनी डू आई नीड टू इन्वेस्ट हियर? और
You don't have to invest any money.
अच्छा, नथिंग।
Nothing. There is no. It depends on what product you want to buy. We are not asking for any franchisee free. We are not asking you to pay anything for the application to join. There is nothing like that. It is your decision on what product you like to buy and whether you want to buy it as a retail customer or as a member or as somebody who wants to build the business. Depending on that, you will decide what products to buy. But whichever the case, there is no money what you need to pay to the company in addition to the products what you decide to buy. That's all.
मतलब मुझे ये फिर भी जानना है, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम अभी मतलब स्वतंत्र भारत के लोग ना बहुत सवाल पूछते हैं, और मेरे दिमाग में भी ऐसे ही सवाल आ रहे हैं कि क्यों क्यों न्यू स्किन इंडिया में जस्ट बस प्रोडक्ट बेच दे, मतलब तो ऐसा लगे कि हाँ शांति, एक बस एक प्रोडक्ट मैं खरीद लूँ, तो ये एफिलिएशन के थ्रू क्यों कर रहे हैं?
So, to answer this, let us make it very simple, right? If I want to sell a product today, अगर मैं एक मैन्युफैक्चरर हूँ,
हाँ।
मुझे प्रोडक्ट बेचने का है, सो उसका सिस्टम क्या होता है? मैं मैन्युफैक्चरर हूँ, मेरे यहाँ से एक क्लियरिंग एंड फॉरवर्डिंग एजेंट को जाएगा, वहाँ से नेशनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को जाएगा, वहाँ से रीजनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को जाएगा, वहाँ से स्टेट लेवल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को जाएगा, वहाँ से रिटेलर्स को जाएगा, और ये प्रोसेस में देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस इन ईच स्टेज, बिकॉज सभी का मार्जिन लगता है उसमें, एंड फाइनली एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगा उस प्रोडक्ट का, एंड आफ्टर ऑल दैट स्पेंड a 1 rupee product is bought by a consumer at 10 rupees because इतने layers हैं इसके अंदर. You reverse this. What is affiliate or direct selling? Affiliate marketing or direct selling? Same. 1 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट आपको 10 रुपए में मिल रहा है, but there is nobody in between but the person himself. So you buy the product, you're buying the product at 10 rupees. बट वेन यू वॉन्ट टू डू दैट एज अ बिजनेस, ये जो मार्जिन था बीच में जो 10 लोग कमा रहे थे, वो मार्जिन मैं आप ही को दे रहा हूं, आप भी इस बिजनेस में शामिल हो जाइए. सो वेन यू डू दैट, द पावर ऑफ पीपल हेल्प्स टू मूव द बिजनेस फर्दर, बिकॉज नेचुरली वी आर पीपल हु रेकमेंड our experiences to others.
Correct.
So rather than investing over the entire value chain, my value chain is my business partner, एंड इसीलिए उनको कमीशंस भी हम दे पाते हैं, और इसीलिए बिजनेस बहुत ज्यादा ग्रो होता है.
हाँ, देखा जाए तो दूसरे भी जो बिजनेस है वो भी अपने चीज़ों को बेचने के लिए सहायता लेते हैं फॉर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड ऑल, एंड समटाइम्स आप इन्फ्लुएंसर को देख के आप खरीदते हो, समटाइम्स दे पे द इन्फ्लुएंसर टू टॉक गुड अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, वो चाहे अच्छा हो या नहीं अच्छा हो, बट यहाँ पे यू आर जस्ट सेइंग कि बीच में स्टोर्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स, रिटेलर्स, ये सारे स्टेप्स को हटा के इट इज़ लाइक यूजिंग द रियल पीपल एज देयर ओन इन्फ्लुएंसर.
Very true. And if you look at our brand ambassadors in our organization, it is people who are doing business with us who are our brand ambassadors. We don't have specific brand ambassadors. Each of our business partner is our brand ambassador.
Is there any risk in getting it started?
Actually, the only risk is if you miss the opportunity.
हाँ, लोगों को कितना पैसा चाहिए टू स्टार्ट दिस? मतलब मैं समझ गई कि वैसे तो कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, लेकिन अगर कुछ खरीद रहे हैं तो एक बेसिक आइडिया कि कितना एक इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, वेदर टू बाय अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर योरसेल्फ ओनली, व्हाट इज द रेंज?
So let's keep it like this. For someone who want to personally use the product, the product starts at as low as 1,500 rupees.
1,500 rupees
That's
बस?
right.
वाओ.
So that's one of the least products what they can buy. But when I said the least, I said the cost.
हाँ हाँ.
The quality is still the same, and they can decide what product they would like to buy. And you can look at, or if you're looking at people who are wanting to run this as a business and get benefits out of that, we have the technology driven tools as well as our devices. For example, Prism, our product. When you're looking at buying a Prism, you're looking at buying Prism at an MRP of around 42,000 rupees. So you have all skincare devices available with us, which are redefining skincare globally. There is a product called LumiSpa. There is a product called Galvanic Spa. These are products which has redefined the skincare industry globally.
What does Lumi Spa do?
It's a cleansing device which will help you to clean your entire facial skin and your neck area in such a way that the effect of the routine for skincare is full. You get the full benefit of the skincare routine, which normally cannot be done only through human application.
Oh, और क्या है?
The next is the Galvanic Spa, which helps you to lift your skin up, its firmness, so that people can literally see the difference about what is the other half looking like as an application. And you will see the results not after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day.
Immediate.
It's immediate, right
कितने
there.
टाइम तक रहेगा?
From what I have heard, it's close to around 8 to 10 hours. So the routines are always packed with the benefits of continued result over a period of time. And that is for immediate gratification. But you continue the routine.
Wow, I already see myself using because कुछ नया मार्केट में आते ही ऐसा लगता है, you try it on yourself because it's just so gratifying to see the face, I mean the results on the face. But I'm yet to see, but I'm sure by the time you are seeing the podcast, you are able to see, or whatever you are able to see, you write it in the comments below.
Definitely.
आप नीचे लिखेंगे तो हमें भी हम सब एक पेज में होंगे कि चेंज दिख रहा है कि नहीं। ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, यू सेड दैट दीज आर वेरी यूनिक फॉर द इंडियन मार्केट, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि ये कॉपी होके मतलब दूसरे भी निकाल दे तो।
I understand your question, and instantly, it's good you asked that, because the first thing what we need to know is these products are all patented products. So people cannot just take the technology away, because we have worked on this technology for the last 20 years, 25 years. So duplicating this technology is not easy. And even assuming somebody is duplicating the technology, what will people do for the 22 million scans what we have done? So that cannot be duplicated, Debina.
हाउ अमेजिंग। और भी मुझे पूछना है बिकॉज आई एम माई सेल्फ हेविली इनटू स्किन केयर, आई लव इट, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माई एग्जिस्टेंस, आई विल फील, आई से नॉट माई जॉब, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, एंड आई थिंक द करंट जनरेशन इज इट्स ऑल अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू पुट ऑन इन माय फेस, जैसे आपने कहा। मतलब अभी डेफिनेटली मैं ऑफिस जाऊंगी और देखूंगी, I will definitely try it on myself or somebody next to me, और इधर ही मैं वो फुटेज दिखा दूंगी, आप ही देख के बताइए कि कितना सही डिफरेंस दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, तो वो हम सब के लिए और इजी हो जाएगा। और जो भी आपके जो स्किन केयर टूल्स एंड डिवाइसेस है, उसको यूज़ करने के लिए यू डू नॉट नीड अ डर्मैट बैकग्राउंड और एनीथिंग, राइट?
The reason for the success of New Skin globally is because our systems are so easy to learn, our routines are so easy to learn. आपको ये सिस्टम सीखने के लिए मैक्सिमम 1 दिन का टाइम लगेगा, वो भी 4 घंटे के ट्रेनिंग में।
अच्छा,
और ये ट्रेनिंग्स कंपनी भी प्रोवाइड करेगा, और जो आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं वो भी आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं।
सेल कैसे किया जा सकता है विदाउट साउंडिंग पुशी और यू नो सेल्स ही, मतलब ज़बरदस्ती ना लगे, फिर भी आप सेल कैसे कर सकते हो?
So as I said, first is for us to come out of the mindset that there is anything to sell. My suggestion will be share your experiences genuinely. Even if you did not have a good experience, share about it. There is nothing wrong in you saying that this worked for me, this did not work for me. So for them, when I'm saying that you look at our products, there are products which are certified by us for performance, if you're not getting the performance out of it, I'm going to give the money back to you. There has to be a reason why we are able to take that stand. And that's because we believe how our products work.
ऑल्सो मैंने ये सुना मतलब उस दिन कि यू नो जो मल्टीविटामिन्स है इंडिया में ये डेफिशिएंसी दिखा जाता है ऑब्वियसली आई मीन एवरीबडी हैज़ डिफरेंट vitamin deficiencies in the body, so for that you have a multivitamin.
So our multivitamin is called Life Pack. We have made sure that we looked at the research of the last 7 years about what deficiencies is hurting the Indian population more. Our multivitamins has the composition that will help the vitamin deficiencies of Indians in India to be addressed. And that's how we are able to commit that your score of your antioxidants in your body will move upwards. And that's why we are able to take a stand about giving you a performance guarantee too.
तो मैं भी चाहती हूँ कि मैं जब तक नहीं समझूं मैं तब तक सवाल पूछती रहूं, क्योंकि ऐसा ना हो कि यू नो कोई सवाल मन में रह जाए और लोगों को लगे कि हवा हवा में कोई
understand.
बात हो रही है। मुझे थोड़ा सा जानना है कि साइंस और क्लिनिकल रिसर्च और सर्टिफिकेशंस क्या है न्यू स्किन इंडिया के पीछे?
So all our products that we are bringing into India or what we are manufacturing in India is not just manufactured here and sold. All these products have been based on the years and years of research. What we have close to 65 scientists, PhDs, who are working in our team. And we ensure that we are in consultation with them for everything that's coming from the product side. And we collaborate with not just industry, but also with the academia. So we work with a lot of universities globally. And we take research papers out of that. And then we look at what best can be given as a product in India or in any country where we are operating. So every product that we are building has a lot of scientific work and innovation behind it. So in terms of, and we don't just launch a product like that, it is tested first. So there is a lot of science that goes behind the testing process, the innovation process, and the technology process. And in every space, we do our best to bring in the latest in technology and innovation so that people get the benefits out of it.
लवली लवली, क्योंकि इधर कुछ वैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट का डर नहीं है।
That's right. And as a team, all of us, and not just from the company side, but also from our brand partners side, they will have all the supports that's needed for them to become successful.
And the most asked question, I will say, do you earn mainly through product sales, team development, or both?
So there are 3 different earnings what we have. Business partners को हम देते हैं 37.5% डिस्काउंट में.
Okay.
Retail customers लेते हैं MRP में. So that 37.5% is the retail margin. और मेंबर्स आते हैं तो उनको 25% का डिस्काउंट मिलता है, बट फिर भी वहाँ पे 12.5% का मार्जिन गैप है. सो दैट मार्जिन इज ऑलवेज पास्ड ऑन टू आवर बिजनेस लीडर्स. रिटेल कस्टमर्स बन सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट
सिर्फ
खरीद रहे हैं वो
products
खरीद
खरीद
सकते हैं, बट मेंबर बनने के लिए किसी का कोड चाहिए.
So how will you help them build a business?
Fantastic. So one, the person who has brought them into this business will be the first contact who will help them to understand the business better. Company के side से we have the entire platform available for them. जो भी इस बिजनेस के अंदर आएंगे उनके लिए सेपरेटली एक बिजनेस सेंटर खोला जाएगा हमारे वेबसाइट में. उस बिजनेस सेंटर में उनको सारे नॉलेज मिल जाएंगे. वीडियोस हैं, ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल्स हैं, प्रोडक्ट ब्रोशर्स हैं, प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स हैं, एवरीथिंग इज देयर ऑलरेडी, जो ऑनलाइन में ईजी कर सके. ऑफलाइन करने के लिए हमारा टीम इंडिया के सभी कोने में है,
अच्छा.
जहाँ पे हमारा ओपन मीटिंग्स होता है, कंपनी का मीटिंग्स होता है, ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स होता है, और होम मीटिंग्स होता है. And all these things is done in partnership with our business partners and as a company also. So we partner with our business partners to grow this by giving them live programs, live sessions. For example, skincare का sessions का 1 घंटा 2 घंटा का ट्रेनिंग चलता है. All these things is now being planned in India also. This happens globally. Now we'll be duplicating that in India also. So online, offline, as well as training programs, everything will be there.
अच्छा, बट मुझे मुझे अभी भी मतलब वो ऐसा लगा कि यू आर रिकमेंडिंग इटसेल्फ डज नॉट मीन दैट यू आर इन द बिजनेस.
Depends whether you are just recommending the product alone or you're recommending the person to sell products to somebody else also. That is the difference. If you're just recommending the products, you will make your commissions, you're happy with it. But if you want to grow that as a business, you help them do what you did, then you become a business person in our system. So the earnings become very different based on what you're doing in this system.
No, if somebody is supposing listening to this podcast and they want to do this as a business, so मतलब सोचिए आप ही अभी बोल रहे हैं ना किसी को कि आपने पूरा एकदम क्लियरली, क्योंकि मैंने एकदम क्लियरली सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे ऑलमोस्ट, जिस तरीके से लोगों के दिमाग में ढेरों सवाल आते हैं और कभी बेशर्म होके लोग जैसे पूछते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इट्स अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि मुझे अगर कुछ काम करना है, आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग दैट मच ऑफ ब्रेन कैपेसिटी, तो मैं इसमें से कैसे कमाऊंगा. तो अगर कोई ऐसे सोचिए इस पॉडकास्ट से ही लोग सोच रहे हैं कि मुझे इसको एज अ बिजनेस मॉडल लेना है और आप ही उनको समझा रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपने ही अभी समझाया, तो वो मतलब किस तरीके से, मतलब फिर वो तो बिजनेस ही हो ही गया ना.
You're absolutely correct. So I'll make it very simple then. We call it 4S.
हाँ.
ये बिजनेस करने के लिए, सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए बिजनेस में
हाँ.
4 एसएस की जरूरत है.
ओके.
यस, नंबर 1 इज हमारे वेबसाइट में पहले साइन अप कीजिए.
हाँ.
राइट, किसी का भी कोड आपको मिला, आपका दोस्त है, कोई भी, साइन अप कीजिए पहले. सेकंड इज प्रोडक्ट्स जो आपको अच्छा लगे वो प्रोडक्ट्स आप सेल्फ यूज कीजिए. गेट द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इट. थर्ड, जो आपने सेल्फ यूज किया वो आपके दोस्तों को, आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स को, नहीं तो आपके रिश्तेदारों को, कोई भी है, उन तक शेयर कीजिए बस. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज उनको शेयर कीजिए और उनको सपोर्ट कीजिए कि वो भी ये चारों बात करें बस. This 4S has to be repeated, 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 repeated. As simple as that. Sign up, self-use, share, support, and repeat.
अच्छा, ये इजी हो जाता है फॉर अ पर्सन हु इज इन द कॉलेज और मे बी वर्किंग समवेयर, और अगर कोई सिर्फ घर पे रहते हैं एंड दे आर वांटिंग टू डू समथिंग फॉर देमसेल्व्स, तो उसका पीयर ग्रुप क्या है, मतलब वो किस तरीके से इसको एक्सपैंड कर सकते हैं.
Right from the place where they are living, Dabina. Today, one, we are all very connected. India has the largest penetration of internet today. So, in the comfort of their living room or kitchen, as I said, they can start looking at building a business out of this by simply sharing their experiences with their friends. Every day, हम at least 10 लोगों से बात तो करते ही करते हैं. We can use the same experiences to, when we are talking to them, to share the excitement of you starting something new. It's as simple as that. I saw something like this. This is exciting. And I think I'm going to make a business out of this. If you want to know more, just let me know. I'll help you. ये business उतना आसान है. There is no need for any complex things. And incidentally, ये business इतना easy इसलिए है, Dabina, because this business is for all.
एक्चुअली आई एम आस्किंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज लोग अक्सर पूछते हैं कि काम छोड़ा था फॉर वट एवर रीजन, लेकिन और आई एम नॉट एबल टू पुश माई सेल्फ बैक इन टू वर्क, और काम ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो एक छूट जाता है ना उसका, वो तो उस फ्लो में दोबारा आ नहीं पाता. एंड देन देर आर मॉम्स हु आर जस्ट सिटिंग एट होम एंड एक्चुअली थिंकिंग व्हाट दे कुड डू टू जस्ट बी बिजी, और मे बी do that extra earning. And उस दिन जब मैंने I attended the seminar, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि yeah, this could be a good opportunity for people who are sitting at home, who wants to do something and they have lost the track. And तो कहाँ से, मतलब क्या कुछ भी काम दो वाली बात होती है, तो मे बी.
No, you're very right. People think that I can't do it. I have lost touch in it. Believe me, in New Skin, we have so many successful homemakers, so many moms who came in here for just to experience a product, but today are having global businesses. They are right now are the biggest advocates for what we are doing globally. And more than anything else, Devina, I want all the people listening to your wonderful podcast to know New Skin is a very purpose driven company. When we came inside India, a lot of people did not know what we do globally. And I take pride in saying that we have our ethos for the company on which we have built this organization. And one of the founding pillars of that is called Force for Good. So, through that efforts of Force for Good, until today, we have fed 850 million hungry children around the world. And the mothers who are a part of this business are one of the reason why we are able to feed that 850 million people. We have sponsored more than 30,000 open heart surgeries for people and kids who cannot afford medicines. The mothers who are going to build this business, who have built the business, are the reason why we are able to do that.
हाउ वंडरफुल।
So,
तो किस तरीके से आप इंडिया में इसका काम कर सकते हैं?
one of the first things during my interview process in this company was when my CEO asked me, Chandra, I want to move this 850 million to 1 billion. And India is a huge opportunity place where we can really make a difference. So we are on the mission right now under Debina. And in the next couple of months, we are already in talks with a couple of partners with whom we can work here in India so that we can start creating the same impact what we have created globally in India also.
परफेक्ट। क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज तक का सबसे स्ट्रिक्ट पॉडकास्ट जो मैंने किया, यूजुअली मैं खुद ही थोड़ी बह जाती हूँ एंड ऑल, कि एक एक इंसान के बारे में जानना होता है, उसकी चीज़ों के बारे में जानना होता है, उसके हैबिट्स के बारे में जानना होता है। लेकिन ये ऐसी चीज़ है, एक पॉडकास्ट जहाँ पे मैं पूछ रही हूँ अबाउट पीपल हु वुड इन्वेस्ट their time.
Correct.
For me, if I'm telling my fellow mommies or anybody out there who's watching me कि आप अपना ये वक्त इसमें दो और शायद आपको इससे ये रिजल्ट मिलेगा। आई विल डेफिनेटली टॉक फ्रॉम माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि मेरे स्किन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, एंड समबडी एल्स दे कैन जस्ट टेक इट अप एज अ बिजनेस एंड ग्रो फॉर देमसेल्व्स। तो ये ऐसा कुछ ना हो कि मतलब बहुत कुछ करने के बाद भी कुछ ना हो। तो इसीलिए इट हैज़ बीन लाइक वन ऑफ द स्ट्रिक्टेस्ट पॉडकास्ट, इफ़ यू नो मी।
I really
तो मुझे भी
appreciate
ऐसा
that.
लग रहा है कि मैं कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ पूछना भूल ना जाऊँ। इन केस मैं कुछ भूल गई, आपको कुछ ऐसा आपके दिमाग में कोई भी सवाल आ रहे हैं, तो आप ये वेबसाइट में जाके आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं और आई एम श्योर यू विल आंसर।
Absolutely. We have a dedicated team here in India who are always available for any questions to be answered. So, let me give a couple of things which probably I think are important, right? So, we are a publicly traded company.
ओके।
So, we are a New York Stock Exchange publicly traded company. So, everything what we do is published in the open domains. So there is nothing which people need to be afraid of about who this company is, where are they coming from, are they here for a long time, are they going to be invested in the country for a long time, and all that. So that is the reason I keep repeating. While we are a US multinational company, we are as much as an Indian company in India.
ओके।
We are invested here, we are here for good, and this is the place where we want to grow and succeed and sustain. So New Skin India is a very much Indian company.
सुपर्ब। मुझे तो एकदम से लगा कि मैंने मतलब बहुत ही इधर उधर ग्रिल किया, कि ताकि मुझे बिल्कुल भी जो मैं जानना चाहती थी मुझे बिल्कुल उसका जवाब मिल जाए। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मे बी, जस्ट मे बी द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, maybe your next chapter can start from here, because every woman deserves apni income, apni identity, apna confidence, right? If this podcast touched your heart and made you feel that yes, that's me, maybe this is your sign to take the first step. So Don't miss the opportunity because maybe somewhere I'll have a discussion here and I will, put one code here जो मुझे नहीं पता किनका होगा लेकिन it could be your beginning from here. So signing off and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Debina Bonetti Show.